You know you know what I meant, man. You said you left your coat? Oh, you tripping. That's that suburban in you. Man, that front door is open.
Damn.
Let me see. Nah, it's got a lock on it, but I don't know if it worked. This is trash. Hold on, let me get where the meter at. Damn, look at this here. Crazy. Let me see, can I push it? I heard a little something.
There no ball. This is a stand. This is a steel stand.
He gonna try to push it. That's crazy. Look at that
I'm
jump.
just trying to see if it got a little.
I heard a little crack. Look at this here. So it feels worth whatever you was trying to. Go ahead, bro. Mister, it won't fall. Turn the light on. This is where this is where it's bulging at. Over here.
Deal.
It's cold as
It'll be
hell.
nice though. Shit, this would be nice. That's what I see so far.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me see. Let's
I like that green. What you bought? You almost fell?
Boy, something snagged my foot.
I missed it. I missed the fall.
This just remind me like a rock castle. Okay. No closet upstairs. Oh, it is a closet.
Yeah, it's a closet. This is horrible.
This will be a nice fix up there.
Yeah, let's still see that basement though. That's what you scared of. Look at this. No, look at this crack here. Big foundation crack.
That ain't a foundation. That's not a foundation.
Foundation moves, the rest of the house moves. What you mean?
Well, yeah, because half the house is leaning. But that can be patched up
It can.
easily.
You're right.
For about $20.
He said $20.
That one right there.
Can you see anything? Is the lights
Mine.
on?
I can go.
Hold on. Damn, the steps leaning. How do you make it down?
Yeah, it's cracked down here.
What'd you say?
I said it's cracked down here for sure. So it's from top to bottom. But the rest of the walls look okay.
Oh wow, bruh.
Well,
You see that? I could put my hand in there.
yeah, well, we knew that. We expected that. So it's just that wall from top to bottom.
Yeah, just that wall. That's ain't no way.
I mean,
They gonna try to drywall it. Now that's funny.
huh?
I said that's funny. Damn, look at the angle on the wall. That's crazy. This is probably the worst I done seen. The foundation, that mug is holding on by a thread.
Somebody pulled this shit like somebody came to see the house and kind of pulled that shit down so they could see.
Yeah, probably so.
Mm-hmm.
Like, ain't no way. Yeah, this ain't. I mean, it might be fixable, but I don't know how much that would cost.
Mm-hmm.
That's beyond my scope of expertise.
Yeah, because that part ain't no dirt around outside, so you got
Right, so you gotta tear up the driveway and then redo that.
Yeah, redo that.
That's gonna be about 5 racks. The rest don't even.
But other than that, it would have been a good one.
For real though. Yeah, 'cause we got a bathroom down here.
That
Mold.
would've been a good one.
Yeah. If you didn't break the wall. Steps leaning. Even at 10,000, that's a bad buy. Man, I done lost.
That's a bad one. Come on, you know you gotta get that fixed for 10 or 15.
Okay. Damn, what I do with the key? It's an oatmeal pie. Why you gonna smile and turn?
That remind me of prison.
Yeah, dude, for real.
Oatmeal pie.
Nigga, I used to tear them
Oatmeal pie.
Man,
That was probably the biggest motherfucking.
Yeah.
That was probably the biggest snack in there.
Come on, man. Did I do it wrong? Yeah, you go ahead. You try. Is that a screw up there?
Where? Right here?
Right there. That's not in the door, though, is it? Nah, that ain't in the door.
Crazy.
At all. That shit, what? That was it?
That was it.
Don't tell me you got more. Oh, you gotta use the key. There you go, sir. You got in? You got it, strong dog? Oh, there you go. See? I knew them muscles was...
Shoulders of steel.
Shoulders. Steel. You did shoulders today? Hold on, let me show the outside. You don't need no roof. That's good. Ugh, it stank. Oh my gosh. Nah. Huh?
So what kind of time is these? Some fake looking time?
Yeah, that's that peeling stuff.
I would have thought this was real.
Yeah, dude,
Are you serious?
the 3D joint? You feel me?
This would have fooled me.
It still did. It did fool you. It's plywood underneath. This is a nice. Is that real? No way.
Yes. No, it can't be.
Nah, there ain't no way.
It looks
It
good,
look
though.
good, yeah. Got the little fake New York look. Loft.
It's almost perfect except for this little line right here.
Yeah, it look like it's, yeah, exactly.
Probably could just clean that up.
I'm about to say keep that. It's on your favorite spot.
What you mean?
The basement.
I mean, that's the heart of the house.
I would say more like the brains of the house.
Alright. Right.
I'm just saying, you can live without a heart. Well, you can get a fake one. Only thing look weird is that over there. It's kind of like dipping in. You see the bricks?
This right here.
Yeah, they repaired it at one point.
Yeah, it looks weird. It looks a little
Very
fugazi.
weird. Yeah, like one of Jerry Jobs.
But it's
This-
kind of straight though.
It's kind of, yeah, it ain't bowing in. That's for sure. It's a lot of water though.
I don't think it'll be a problem.
It's gotta be leaking because I mean it's gotta be coming in from outside because ain't no water tank.
What's coming in from outside?
All this water.
That's the water meter over there too.
Ain't no water meter. Oh, water meter. I'm tripping. Oh, it is leaking big time. I thought it was coming in from outside. But yeah, that ain't nothing.
You got some packs in here?
Yeah, we got. Well, it was a rental.
Huh?
It was a rental,
Oh, so it's pretty functional.
so they had to have it at least up to code at one point. Well, the squatter. She said the squatters messed it up. Oh shoot! I fell there. I don't know how bad, cause
These cabinets need to be rocked. Hey.
there you go. There you go.
This is a nice little one. This is a real easy one too.
We can paint the cabinets and shoot. We can find the same tile and just replace it.
All the windows is good, but the roof on here, oh, like,
Yeah, roof. Oh, it's functional though.
ugh. This is easy. Easy peasy, but
I got tile.
this right here throws me off.
Yeah, the baseboard heat. Probably because it don't get hot up here like it should.
Because there's not no vents up here. That's why that's there.
Oh yeah, that too. Yeah, it ain't no vents. So they threw the baseboard.
Huh?
So they threw the baseboard heat. Yeah. I guess.
But you had to. Those things can be fixed though, I guess. It probably wouldn't cost that much.
All you do is plug it in. Well, they got it wired in the wall though, to the wall.
Yeah, that probably won't cost that much to get in. Get it.
Nah.
This.
How much is it?
I don't know. But it's a nice little something.
I think
The right place. It's probably another one.
I don't even know where we at. Where we at? What's zip?
More than 224.
Oh, so nigga, you know this the what it go for?
No, but they don't got no garage.
You don't got what?
They don't got no garage. It's little.
Yeah, 120. 115. It's a decent backyard too. See that right now? See the roof and garage falling apart. Smell good in here.
Kitchen, but it's just so small. I wonder how this.
Say what?
Why is that so bad?
Take this wall out. What you mean? Take both walls out. No, take that wall out. You just have to reroute the cabinet, the way the cabinets is set up. Man, it's not bad though.
It's cute, but the windows old.
It's cute.
It's cute, little house.
Nigga said it's cute. I ain't never been here. You might have been here. I haven't.
Well, we probably haven't, but the way that you go down to the basement looks like something we just seen recently.
Yeah, I like the floors. They just need like one more coat of poly on them. I like how this upstairs set up too. I got the stairs. You gotta turn a little bit. I like it.
It probably wasn't this house, but you remember when we had to go this way to go down to the basement like recently?
Yeah, wasn't it the house on the west side? Yeah,
I don't know.
it was. It was the house on the west side that Jerry working on. Scared? I'll take care of it. I can't. I'm not that strong. See, they tried to do the ceiling like ugly though.
So they drywall, it had some water problems though.
Mm-hmm.
Till they hired something.
It was wavy now.
But the walls, these parts of the walls look so good, but what is they hiding?
Right.
Why would you do that?
Yeah.
When it's drywall, right?
I mean, yeah. Was this a bathroom? It was a toilet. I forgot the sink. What about in here? Oh, they definitely got water coming in through here. Under the steps. So
This is a whole room.
it's cracked over. I mean, the water coming in through here. You know, you can see it was coming in through there where they spray painted. It's just not wet right now outside, but you can see the water sparkling through.
I don't know. I don't like it.
Yeah, it's decent.
The garage is here, right?
I ain't go look. It looked from the front. It looked like a tear down.
Whoa, that's good. But it's all, it got new blinds, but it's all old windows. That's not.
You got the key? What then? Okay. Lock. You feel me?
Easily.
Oh man, yeah, that might be a tear down.
I'm about to call this about 30. I'd like to get it, but it still might to get the blueprint. I'm saying it's standing straight up.
Yeah, it is.
It's $2,000 for the garage door.
Yep, and another 4,000 to repair.
This ain't that bad though.
I know. It just needs shingles and plywood.
And that tree maybe cut off.
Where? Yeah, that tree gotta go.
This might be worth fixing.
Oh wow, it's a decent size. Not.
We couldn't count this no less than 35.
Yeah, 'cause that tree, what do you charge? 1,500. It's gotta go. 'Cause it's tearing up the damn garage. Any back here? This a hell of a clean out too. So yeah, 35. Oh wow, they did one patch of the roof. What's the purpose of that, man? That's a 30,000, 35 really.